This is me. My name is Heidi Tirado Gallardo. I am 22 year old. My next birthday is on January 23rd. I am Colombian and live in Medellin, Antioquia. I I am a irresponsible and hardworking person. I am like learning new thing. I am motivated by learning and improving myself. I am like listening to music. I am to learn and do my best in the job. I am out to grow and have a good job in the future. My success is improving and achieving my goals. I am led to look for new opportunities. I am see myself working and growing in company.